Revitalizing Conditioner. Our daily hydrating conditioner uses some of our fave ingredients like quinoa protein and sunflower seed oil to help deeply hydrate and nourish our hair, making it smooth and healthy looking for days. Everyday hair treatment. This special vegan blend helps restore lost moisture, repair damage, reduce tangles and provide unmatched humidity-resistant frizz control. Perfect for all hair types. How to use. After washing and rinsing with our Revitalizing Shampoo, apply and work in conditioner through to the ends. Wait a couple minutes and rinse hair thoroughly. Sonny's tip. Rinse with cold water for extra shine. Protect your hair. The key to maintaining healthy locks is healthy, natural ingredients. This revitalizing hair product is enriched with coconut oil and banana and pulp, and is vegan, gluten, cruelty and paraben free. Trust the bum. What does that mean? It means trust us, the ones who live on the beach and need products that work on the most intense days in the sun. The simple truth is, when you make products to protect the ones you love, you make them better. Top reviews from the United States. My new favorite. Shampoo and conditioner make my hair look great, even in humid climates.